Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia Salvia. If you're new here, today is Skincare Sunday. So on Skincare Sunday, we do anything that has to do with skincare. So today we're doing another one brand skincare because I have so much skincare, it's insane. And doing these one brand skincares are kind of cool and I like them. So we're doing another one. Mwah. So I have this cute little package right here. Let me tell you a story about this. So every single time I walked into Sephora, which is very, very many times because I walk into Sephora quite often, I looked at Drunk Elephant, this is all of their little minis right here, and I was like dying to try their products. And I don't know, I just never picked anything up. But I knew every single time like I went into Sephora for something specific, I was like, babe, I want to try Drunk Elephant so bad. I want to try them. But I remember I ended up buying a little mini kit of theirs with 2 products in it because I want to try. I love, love, love buying mini stuff because it's so helpful to you, your pocket, and your wallet. And it's just, you get to try like the whole line and not like break the bank for it. And you're not going back returning like 10 giant products or spending hundreds of dollars that, you know, something may not work for you. So Drunk Elephant actually contacted me and sent me this cute little bag full of their products. So I thought, why not? Let's do a one brand tutorial for you guys today on Skincare Sunday using all of Drunk Elephant products. So let's do it. So you can buy this little bag at Sephora. I don't know the pricing on it, but I'll put it down below so that you guys can get it. So I'm starting off with the Jelly Cleanser, and I'm just going to rub this all over my face, you know, clean my face as you should. And it actually opens like this. You twist the cap. Yes. It feels like jelly. So since it's still daytime and I'm going to be, you know, doing some day things, we're going to be using the C Firma Day Serum next. I'm just going to pat this all over my face. The next product I'm using is the Shaba Complex Eye Serum. Just going to pat this underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to be using the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. Because I have a little bit more oily skin, I think that this is going to work best out of the moisturizers that we have in this little kit. This is kind of like your classic water cream. I feel like it's a little thicker than that. It feels really nice. And then we cannot forget our sunscreen. This is the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen with SPF. I'm not a huge sunscreen wearer, but let's see how this one does on the wear test. Again, this little guy opens up like this. It's so cool. I like don't expect it. I'm like trying to like twist it. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Ooh. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, so it blends in pretty good, which I like. I definitely don't like sitting here for hours trying to blend in sunscreen. So these are some of the other products that are also in this little kit. We have the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, and also the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. So these guys, because one's a night serum, I don't use oils during the day. I usually wear them during nighttime. But the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, I want to open this up for you guys. Look how cool it looks.
It's so cool.
So I'm actually going to use a little bit of this just to make me a little more hydrated. And this one feels so soft. I feel like this would be so great if you have dry skin. this would be an awesome product for you. I sometimes feel like my skin's a little dry, so I'll probably use this whenever I feel that way, like kind of a little bit today. Probably because I exfoliated a lot in the shower. So honestly, I really like it. I mean, they left my skin glowing, not oily looking. The other thing I love about these products, which is so small, but like, can we just look at how cute all of the colors of these products are? They have just like the cutest packaging, the cutest name, Drunk Elephant, and I mean, that's, you know, like that's a good enough reason to try their products. So that is it for my one brand skincare routine using Drunk Elephant. I'm really enjoying this. This is not the first time that I've used their products. I've used them before and I really do enjoy them. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, so that's why I definitely recommend getting a little mini kit like this or one of the other mini kits that Sephora sells to really test the products out and see if you like them first. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into this today's Skincare Sunday. Make sure to hit the subscribe button right here and check out all of my other Skincare Sundays right here. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you next time. Bye!